So Daniela, can you show us what is power? What is power?
Well,
Show
power
it.
is like when you feel like, so it's beautiful to be zen and silent, and
Yeah.
not to be disturbed and not to be disturbed by others, but it's, kids. I mean, kids are in their power, right? They keep
Yes.
disturbing you. They
Yeah.
keep doing what they want because they are in from them.
Very natural power they are in. And they don't care about what the adults think of it in that sense. Or if they are annoyed or whatever. They don't care about it. They just follow the natural flow and they're like, yeah, I can do this. I will get this. I want this. And can you help me? That's our nature.
This is the date when a lot of power is actually coming to the planet, and it's coming to us, it's coming through us, and it's coming to us. So actually, last night I felt a little bit like, because I was opening to this huge power coming to me. And it's the Lion Gate. It's the Lion Gate which escalates on the 8th of August. And I think it is really one of the most powerful periods of this year. And in 2019, I feel this gate coming extremely strongly. Maybe it's because I'm here at the pyramid, and so I am very well connected with my higher self. I am very well connected with the planet, because in here, we don't have that much radiation, that much digital networks, and all the other things which really in last days and weeks when I was in the European Union, I felt my brain is being cooked, by all these digital networks. There's so much of that, and now I come here, I am so fully myself, and I feel, relaxed. I feel mental power and any kind of power. I don't know about Holland, but I was spending some time in the Czech Republic and Hungary, and I felt my brain can hardly cope in those energies, really.
Yeah, I only know about the coming back to the Netherlands when I had the retreat in Bosnia in May, and then I felt so alive and so sensitive and powerful at the same time. And then I came back with the plane and it landed, and it was like I really landed into some super mental energy. I was also like, my goodness, where are the green trees? Where is the nature? Everything is so full, built with houses and offices and all these things. And then I came to Schiphol, and then I started even walking faster. I walked faster, like the woman who I was with. She said, "Don't walk so fast. You walk much faster than that you did in Bosnia." So I was connected to the Netherlands again, and it really took me, I think, a week to really land here again and to find the base in myself. So it's more mental. There more radiation going on here, and it's absolutely a big difference compared to this very healthy energy which is there in Bosnia, and especially in the pyramid area. It's such healthy, such high frequency, energetically you get some kind of reprogramming or something.
Yeah, maybe that's actually worth one video also, because the days after the retreat are actually very, 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 they need time. I mean we need time to get back to the normal life, because in here there is so much abundance, there is so much limitlessness, there is so much freedom and very easy connection with ourselves, when things just flow naturally.
like instant manifestation. Like when you're there and you think something, then it immediately happens. Although I must say I have it same in Netherlands right now, but it took some time to get back to that. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
And we just want to bless you, sisters, you know, even if you go with us or you don't go with us, we just want to send you a huge blessing from our hearts on your life paths in this beautiful year 2019 and in the next upcoming years. Just stick to your journey, stick to your heart, listen to your soul, and just do whatever is fine for you. We bless it.
Yes, bless you. Bless you.